guys, we just finished this collection and I would like to show you some details on how we did it. So it's a pretty straightforward design for the mass market, pretty simple, and the only design feature here is these wooden planks. They're made out of solid acacia, and the top bar is the handle, so you can easily grab it from here on all the drawers. And this part here, the panel, the top panel and the sides are made out of MDF acacia veneer with the light wire brush, so we can achieve this dark gray color. On the mirror you can see the different level planks as well, so it's a little bit unique. The next thing we paid attention to are the legs. We made them in a little bit sharp way here, and this design with the planks is going throughout the whole collection. You can see it in the footboard here and in the headboard as well. This collection is made for the mass market. This is how we did it.